English Fast, helping learners of English build vocabulary fast. CEFR A2. All the time, agree, flight. All the time. All the time is a phrase. A2 learners usually know all the time. All the time means continuously. Here are some examples. Please stop complaining all the time. He's not happy, but he smiles all the time. She makes mistakes with her grammar all the time. Agree. Agree is a verb. A2 learners usually know agree. At A2, to agree means to have the same opinion as another person. Here are some examples. I agree with you. He agrees with her. We agreed with each other. Flight. Flight is a noun. A2 learners usually know flight. Flight refers to a journey through air or space. Here are some examples. My first flight was from London to Paris. She has made over 100 flights. His flight to New York was cancelled yesterday. In the comments below, write some of your own sentences with all the time, agree and flight. Email the editor at englishfast.co.uk for the free CEFR A2 worksheets. Subscribe on YouTube to learn more.